Guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Side Hustle Keisha, bringing you work from home opportunities and side hustles you can do alongside with your full-time job. You guys always stay connected. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Make sure you're over in Facebook and you're following me on Facebook so that you don't ever miss a notification. But also, if you're on Instagram, jump on over to Instagram and it is Side Hustle Keisha as well. Make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms. Drop a comment below if you get the job. We want to know, we want to celebrate you, and we want to hear about all the deets about your interview. So we're going to jump right into this opportunity. I'll be doing a series of like Keisha's quick side hustles. So I'll be bringing you like a 3 to 5 minute video really quick on a quick little side hustle that I came across, I found, or did my research on, or someone reached out to me and told me to share this on my channel. So I'm going to always do Keisha's quick side hustle. But remember, all of my videos, I try to give you a work from home opportunity and a side hustle that you can do, or it'll be a work from home opportunity that may be full-time or part-time. Okay, so let's jump right on over to this opportunity. The company is called Third Channel, you guys. This is the ultimate, I call it like one of my ultimate work from home opportunities. You can become a brand rep. And as you can see on the screen, here are some of the brands that you can represent. Okay. So I wanted to dig a little deeper because I kind of had my own idea of what I thought a brand rep would be, but I'm going to read you Third Channel's idea of brand rep. I'm going to also give you details of what you could be doing on any particular given day that you're assigned to go out to one of these wonderful, amazing brands that we all know and love, right? So join the network of over 150,000 plus passionate and dedicated individuals across the United States and Canada to represent the world's leading consumer brands in stores, demo products, collect valuable consumer data, train staff, and so much more. Ready to rep your favorite brand? Sounds like an opportunity to me, you guys. So you will go here. There's a video, become a brand rep. Welcome to Third Channel. Okay, so they go over in detail what you would do, how you would get paid, and it's all done from your phone. So we love that, right? But I wanted to tell you what you'll be doing because we all probably have our own idea what a brand rep is, but they give a little detail of what you can be doing on any given assignment. So you'll be assisting with selling, providing associate education. So you come to the store and educate the representative because you're going to be so knowledgeable about this particular product or product that you're repping that day that you can educate the associates in the store. You can be doing field merchandising, you can be doing product demos and sampling, or consumer education. So those are the things that you're going to be doing. So here's where your work at any of these brands, depending on the brand you're representing, you'll find yourself in retailers such as Dick's, Best Buy, Macy's, JCPenney, Dillard's, Nordstrom's, Target, Bloomingdale's, Whole Foods. Okay, so these are just the name a few of the actual retailers that you would be in. How do you start? If you have the following, then you're ready to become a brand rep. Okay, you have a smartphone, iOS or Android, reliable transportation, so you're able to get to work, whatever that is, bike, Uber, bus, or your own personal vehicle. They just need you to be able to be there and be on time, right? Passion and knowledge of products. You'll work with a desire to share this information with others. So basically, by saying you know something about a particular brand and you're just super ready to tell everybody that you come in contact with. It's just like if you buy something and you fell in love with it and you told your friend. So that's basically what they're looking for. I'm going to drop a link below. You can come over here and watch this video. It's about 4 minutes and it gives you like a real visual of what your step-by-step process will be with Third Channel. Here are some more of the brands. As you can see, you have Keds, you have Oakley, New Balance. We all know these brands. So this sounds like a great opportunity for something you to do on the side after work so you can still do your full-time job. It is saying that it does look like it's going to be a face-to-face contact position. So right now, even though we're in the COVID, they're still gearing up to be able to assist. So of course, take all the necessary precautions, but I definitely want to bring this opportunity to you because I feel like we're coming out of this pandemic and we are going to move forward and we're going to excel and go back to life as usual with distancing, right? So you guys jump on this opportunity. If it sounds like something you'd be interested in doing, you'll be setting your own hours, you get paid fast, and most of the reps, here's another video that talks about representatives that are doing the job, how they love the brands that they're representing. I did a little research on how much this job is going to pay hourly. So it varied. I saw anything from um, 15 to $25 an hour, you guys. Okay, so I just want to make sure you guys were aware of that. I did as much research and I pulled from different websites to get a little bit of information. So that was about the range that I saw. So if you really like this job, I want you to definitely move forward and apply and let us know. Okay, full day. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and let us know if you get the job. We want to celebrate with you. All right, bye bye.